my name is Stark with Florida Seawall Solutions. Welcome back to the St. Pete Yacht and Tennis Club. Last time we were on the opposite side, which is the south side, where we were pouring our cap. Today we are on the north side. Now behind me you can kind of see we started setting panels, and we just started doing that. We've got about 300 feet worth of panels in, but this is the very beginning process of a brand new seawall. The challenges over here are maintaining the electric and the water to all the existing docks and the boats for their owners. In doing that, we're having to relocate both the water supply as well as all the electrical supply while we're building this wall. Now behind me I kind of have the water going up and over so that way they can maintain that. The electric, we're going to leave that to the electricians. But continue to check us out on your favorite social media platforms and definitely check back with us on our progress. Look forward to seeing you again soon.